Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tricky gadget issues into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're diving into a super common problem with the Amazon Fire Stick. That frustrating blinking green light on your remote. If you're dealing with this in 2025, don't worry, it's often just a connectivity hiccup, and I'm here to guide you through fixes that could get you streaming again in no time. First off, let's quickly understand what's happening. The blinking green light usually means your remote is trying to pair with the Fire Stick but isn't connecting properly. It could be due to low batteries, interference, or even a software glitch. The good news? Most fixes are straightforward and take just a few minutes. Let's start with the basics. Step 1. Power cycle your Fire Stick. Unplug the device from the power source, wait about 30 seconds, and plug it back in. This simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. Once it's back on, try using your remote to see if the light stops blinking. If that doesn't work, move to step 2. Check the batteries. Open the battery compartment on your remote and ensure the batteries are properly seated. If they're old, replace them with fresh alkaline ones. You'd be surprised how often this is the culprit. Weak batteries can cause pairing issues. Next, step 3. Repair the remote. On your Fire Stick, go to Settings, then select Controllers and Bluetooth Devices, and choose Add Bluetooth Device. Follow the on-screen instructions to pair your remote again. Press and hold the home button for 10 seconds until the light stops blinking. If you're still seeing that green light, try step 4. Reset the remote. Remove the batteries, press and hold any button for about 20 seconds to discharge any residual power, then put the batteries back in and attempt to pair it once more. Don't forget step 5. Update your Fire Stick software. Head to Settings, then My Fire TV, and select About. Check for updates and install any available ones, as outdated software can lead to connectivity problems. Finally, if nothing works, it might be a hardware issue. Contact Amazon support or consider replacing the remote. There you have it. Easy steps to banish that blinking green light. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.